These plant growth animal videos are going viral right now. Some creators are getting millions, even hundreds of millions of views using this exact format. Take a look at this Instagram account. It has over 300,000 followers, and one of its reels has crossed 400 million views. Today, I'll show you how to create these videos using AI. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for Topiary Shorts. Once you find it, click Start Chat. It will generate ideas for animals. For this example, once you type lion, the GPT will generate 5 image prompts and 1 video prompt for you. Once all the prompts are generated, copy the first one and head over to Google Gemini. Here, click Create Image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within seconds, your image will be ready. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt it created. Then return to Google Gemini, paste the prompt, and generate the image. Do the same for all 5 prompts and save all the images. With these 5 images ready, let's move on to the video stage. Go to Pika, and for this, we're going to use the new Pika Scene feature. Click Upload Media and upload all 5 images. Then arrange them in order from the start frame to the final frames. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it here. Then click Generate. Once the generation is complete, you'll have a cool Topiary time-lapse video. Let's watch it. That's the end of the video. You'll find all the links and tools I used in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.